everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. My name is Steph, and today we will be doing the second part of my mixed media ballerina. Hoping to get some of the painting done today. See how far we can get in the time that we have. Right, let's get on with it. Right, now as you can see, my ballerina's dry. She's all twinkly. Her bustier part's dry. Okay, so I'm going to I've got my watercolour paints. I'm going to I think I'm going to do her skin colouring first. I'm going to paint, think about what colours to do her top and maybe her shoes and all the little fancy bits of hair and stuff like that. Okay, for her skin colour I have pure white, burnt sienna and some red. Okay, put it on my little palette. I'm going to mix in the colours with a bit of water and just sort of mix up the colour that you fancy for skin. Okay, so just sort of add a little bit of burnt sienna until it's sort of a creamy colour, and then a little bit of red. Okay, got a bit too much there. Right. Depends what kind of skin colour you want, obviously. Right, just blend the colours together, and then I'm going to give her a paint up. Right, move them out of the way. Don't add too much water. You don't want it too runny. Might be a bit pink. Might have to add a bit more burnt sienna. She does look a bit on the pink side. Okay. I'm just going to go over most of the white. Even the hair, it doesn't matter because that bit's going to be covered up. Okay. Right, I've moved my camera slightly, hoping that you might be able to get a better view. I know it's not the most easiest things to... Anyway, that's what she looks like at the moment. I am going to... I don't know if you'll have purple in your paint kit, but I do have a violet in my paint kit. So I'm going to put a bit of violet on my palette. Oh, it's a new one. I haven't used it yet, so I'll have to put it up. Alright. Bit runny actually, just because it's new. I don't know what colour it's going to be like. Might have to add some more white, so I'm going to put white on my palette just in case I do need me white. Okay, and make sure my paintbrush is clean before I start. Now, I do want a bit of texture in my, bustier part. So when I paint, see it's quite actually it's quite a very pretty colour. As you can see, because you've got the texture that you put in before. Now I do want some darker parts to make it look a little bit more material like. Do experiment with your colours, and so entirely up to you what colour you decide to do her. Okay, but obviously waistband part would be slightly darker, so I'm going to dab a little bit of darker paint around that part and around the top part of her bustier. Okay, make sure you sort of dab it in. Alright, now so it's up to you how dark you want. I mean, it's got creases in it, so I want it to look like material, you know, sort of. Okay, I might blend them out a little bit more, not look quite dark. Anyway, I've done her bustier. Yeah, there is parts on her dress that are white. Now you can, if you want to, paint sort of in between some of the sequins if you want to be very technical. Entirely up to you. I mean, you can even paint over the sequins, because obviously being sequins you just want the twinkly effect, see. But I am going to paint the bits that I might have missed. The parts that are wet, sort of like that. Just give it a bit of texture, bit of, you know. I mean, it's your project in the long run. Okay, totally up to you how detailed you get, how fancy you want to get it, right? Obviously. So I quite like the painted details on the sequins, because it makes the sequins look more realistic, because some of them are slightly different colour now, so they're not all flat. No, they're not flat, but they're not all the same colour, which gives them a bit of depth. Okay, as you can see, she's all twinkly. Okay. Right, finished filling in all the holes. Okay, now I'm going to put some detail on her hair. Okay, not sure if I'm going to do a face yet. I haven't quite decided, but I will start putting in some of the detail. Also want to put maybe some sequins around the top of her top, and also want to do her ballerina shoes. Right, decided I'm going to paint the part of her hair first. She's got like a bun on, okay. I'm going to use my bit of burnt sienna again, I think. I'm going to clean my brush. Okay. Only just so when I come to put the thread on, if there is any empty spaces, then it ain't going to show through skin colour. It will show through as brown, or you know, whatever colour you want to make her hair. Yeah, I'm going to paint her bun. Okay. And then down the side of her hair. Okay. Okay. Right. Now I've done her hair. Okay. I will be putting in some mixed thread. Okay, to just give you a bit more texture. You're using mixed media, so I'm going to use a mixture of sort of blondie colour with some of this coppery colour. Oops, sorry, coppery colour. Yeah. Right, I've changed my angles a little bit, so hopefully you might be able to see a bit better. Anyway, I've got a mixture of my colours that I want. Okay. Like I said, I'm going to wrap it around her top of her bun. I don't know what colour it is. Alright. Okay. Just to give it a bit of texture. Alright. It is very fiddly, I'm not saying it isn't, but it does make it look, just makes it look a bit more realistic. I'm having trouble with the copper one, it doesn't want to stick. I might have to put some more modelling paste on that part. Anyway, sort of like that. Obviously it needs trimming. I'm also going to put some of her hair down the sides, okay. So I'm going to trim that bit and then I'll start on the side. Right, I'm going to put some down the side of her face now. So it's just not like she's just got hair on her bun. Do the same, put some modelling paste down the side, okay, and put some hair down the side. I will do this and I will get back to you. Right, I've done that. Can you see? Put it down the sides of her face, okay. Right, and then I think you can I'm going to add some fancy stuff to her hair, make her look like she's got a bit of a tiara, okay. Right, that's all I've got time for today. Looks like there might be a part 3 of my mixed media ballerina. Please come and watch it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Bye everybody, thanks for watching again. Bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.